Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change current theme on Shopify. So first things first, here at the homepage, you can go here at the sales channel. Go ahead and click online store and then themes. And right now I'm using Dawn theme. And if you scroll down, you can see different template provided by Wix. And you can just hit add to your preferred style. And then it's going to download here at the theme library. And then here you can also add another theme. You just have to visit the theme store to view more theme. And for now, we're just going to choose the option one. So once it is downloaded, you can just go ahead and click publish, hit publish. And there you go. My current theme now is refresh. If this video is helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.